Human life begins in a way most people never see. Each month, an ovary releases a single egg.
The sperm cells navigate the complex environment of the vaginal canal, propelled forward by their flagella towards the cervix.
The cervix acts as a gateway, filtering and guiding sperm forward. Only a small number survive the journey through the uterus. The fallopian tube is where fertilization usually occurs. Meanwhile, the ovary has released a mature egg. Many sperm reach the egg, but only one can enter. Fertilization begins when one sperm enters the egg. At this moment, a unique genetic code is created. The fertilized egg immediately starts dividing. These rapid divisions happen without increasing overall size. Within days, the embryo forms a structure called a blastocyst. The blastocyst continues its journey to the uterus. Implantation allows the embryo to receive nutrients. Once implanted, pregnancy officially begins. Major organs start developing very early.
The heart begins beating just weeks later.
The placenta supports growth and oxygen exchange. From a single cell, a new human life develops.